New questions are emerging about immigration enforcement. This after a family was allegedly detained by ICE agents right after attending their immigration court hearing in downtown El Paso.
Well, we first brought you this story yesterday here on KTSM 9 News at noon. Advocacy groups argue such arrests undermine due process and may discourage people from attending their court hearings, while others say these are necessary steps to uphold immigration laws. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Diana Castillo brings us more.
We are standing outside the Richard C. White Federal Building, where many migrants come for their scheduled immigration hearings. But earlier this week, it was at the center of a growing debate over immigration enforcement practices. Take a look. We're told by advocates that this video shows ICE agents detaining a family moments after they allegedly attended an immigration court hearing in downtown El Paso earlier this week. The family was not handcuffed, but advocates say it's part of a larger pattern playing out across the country.
These people have rights.
People are being arrested without and prosecuted without due process, and this is a violation of our 5th and 14th Amendment right.
Advocacy groups argue these types of arrests, especially outside courthouses, create a chilling effect, potentially discouraging people from showing up to court at all. Now, local activist groups are showing up outside federal court, handing out flyers, hoping to educate people on their rights.
Not to make any decisions in court without a lawyer present. You know, a lot of these people don't have lawyers because the nonprofits are backed up, so they can't take any more people. On top of that, a lot of people don't have money to afford a lawyer.
Courthouses were previously considered a sensitive location by ICE, but that guidance was rescinded by the current administration. Some local conservative leaders say this is not about intimidation, it's about accountability.
Up until now, we've had how many hundreds of thousands, millions of people that are here after their court date has said they're not allowed to stay here. They never reported. They never self-deported, nothing. So now we have a huge problem in this country, and it needs to be straightened out.
In a statement, the Department of Homeland Security defended the enforcement, saying, in part, ICE is now following the law, placing these illegal aliens in expedited removal as they always should have been. If they have a valid, credible fear claim, they will continue in immigration proceedings. If no valid claim is found, aliens will be subject to a swift deportation. ICE officials say they will continue to follow the law. Meanwhile, advocates say they will continue to show up to support and educate migrants. From downtown El Paso, Diana Castillo, KTSM 9 News.
In an exclusive internal document obtained by our team at Border Report, it shows the specific individuals being targeted are individuals deemed to be national security or public safety threats, specific people with criminal convictions, gang members, individuals ordered to be removed from the U.S., and those who have re-entered the country illegally. It also states that family and friends accompanying the targets or serving as witnesses can also be subject to civil immigration enforcement action.